Good morning, lifers. We're coming to you from the parking lot at Cosmix. This is a new McDonald's concept that we just had to come and try for you guys. We got in late from Houston, Texas last night, but we got up this morning anyway to make the trek so you can see what Cosmix is like.
Let's go.
Let's go. So we've actually been trying to plan a trip to this Cosmix now for about, what do you think?
Like 2 months.
2 months, at least 2 months we've been trying to get over here. There are actually 5 of these in the country. Oh man, look at this. The little pathway right here outside on the seating area. Even though there isn't much seating, there are actually some tables over there now so people can actually sit outside and enjoy a meal. But check out the little parking, or I don't even know what this is. It's like a patio area, but there are no chairs out here. So I could imagine kids just kind of hopping along this trail outside and making their way in to the restaurant.
Hi, welcome to Cosmix. How are you? Have you been here before? No. Okay.
When we walked into Cosmix, the greeter was very friendly and the inside felt empty but somehow inviting. It's really hard to explain. Placing our order on the kiosk was easy, and there were actually more options than we expected. We chose not to go through the drive-thru because there was nothing striking about it. It was really similar to other McDonald's experience, the actual McDonald's. So we decided to stay inside and see what it was like inside. Hey guys, so we just placed our order. We actually chose this location because it's one of the few that you can come inside and hang out. There's nowhere to sit though, so if you want, they just put these tables outside if you want to stay here and sit outside. But as you can see, there's no one at the counter right now. All of the ordering is done at the kiosk. 4 kiosks standing over to the side. And then you can kind of look over the countertop back there and see a few people working, but this is pretty much an unmanned restaurant again. So McDonald's is clearly going away from that concept.
It's like a very simple aspect to it all.
Yeah.
It's simple and clean.
Real simple, clean. I like it. My favorite part is, nothing against kids, but kind of, sort of. It's not a whole bunch of kids running around in here. You can actually get your order and enjoy a meal, even if you sit out on one of those tables out front. But I'm one of the fans of the no seating and, less of the chaoticness, what you typically find at a McDonald's.
Well, the attitude of the workers.
Oh man.
You got a machine taking the order.
Yeah, you don't have to deal with, I love the concept because you don't have to deal with a tired associate or somebody who may just be having a bad day. Great people, but everybody has a bad day. This way you don't have to deal with it.
Yeah.
We got the pretzel bites. And this is a spicy queso dip. In this fancy little container.
Yeah. So guys, I'm really digging the new for this concept. I really like the container. It reminds me of the old school McDonald's containers. Remember they used to come up and you can fold them closed
Yeah,
when we were
I
young.
do
So
remember
this is, I think they're sneaking that back in because
Yeah.
right here you can fold this closed just like the old McDonald's stuff. When I was a kid, this is what they were like. You could preserve your fries just by folding this container over.
All right, here we go.
Pretzel.
Yeah, pretzel.
So she's a huge pretzel fan. So if they don't impress her, it's kind of hard, you know. She's a big pretzel fan. So let me see. Let me try it. They had to have been microwaved.
Yeah. It's like a frozen product that's heated.
Just like Starbucks. So the real question is Cosmic better than Starbucks? Can they compete with Starbucks? I'll tell you, they're opening fast. There are 5 Cosmics right now in the entire world. And 80% of those are in the state of Texas. 1 in Bolingbrook, Illinois, and then 4 in Texas. The most recent is in San Antonio. Oh. I don't know about the pretzel bites. They're okay.
So next we have the mixed bag pops. So there's several different flavors in here.
At first sight, it looks like a fake. Yeah.
Oh wow! So these are like little donuts, or what do you call those? The donuts with the stuff in the middle.
Yeah, I can't remember the name of them, but I get them for every Father's Day from a different brand.
So I have to tell you what this one is once I bite into it, but it's got like some powdered sugar on it, and then of course the little dot, whatever is to be found.
We're just wandering Dallas before I go to the airport.
That's the chocolate. It tastes just like the one you get.
Like a cream filled donut. It's a
Yeah,
mini
there you
cream
go.
filled donut.
Yeah.
That's actually pretty good.
All right, let's see what else is in here. So there's 3 different flavors that they have. So you can get a bag that has just one flavor in, or you can get the mixed flavor. So this one's the next one, same thing, cream filled donut.
I think that's peanut butter.
This one is real good.
8 weeks.
I never would have thought. Yeah, I like that one.
Okay.
Peanut butter. Whatever this is, it's kind of like
Is it hazelnut?
hazelnut.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
It's really good. The combo is really, really good.
Yeah. So then we got this one's like a powdered sugar outing.
She's good. Hang on.
Cinnamon.
Yeah. I'm sorry. Yeah, cinnamon sugar. I'm sorry.
Alright. What'd you say? Good girl.
I think that's
Apple.
applesauce.
What's up?
It's a good combination. So it's kind of like is it the bear claw?
Yeah, it's kind of like apple pie flavored.
Yeah. It tastes like the bear claw.
I think this is my favorite. Actually, all of these
Yeah.
are good. I think this is my favorite.
Yeah, they are. Yeah. Good job, Cosmics, on this one.
Good job, Cosmic.
2 thumbs up.
I just heard Davey tell you this.
Those little bites are really good, and that apple flavor one was my favorite.
I have one more year.
All right, what else do we have? We have the savory hash brown bites. And then we got ketchup to go with that.
I'll call you later, okay?
So it's got some herbs on the outside.
Love you, Jay. I'll see you later. Love you. Love you too. Bye.
All right, here we go. Okay.
This is kind of on par with the flavor is really good, but it's overall it's not the greatest. If you like McDonald's hash browns, then most likely you'll like these, because I would order this every time I came here, and we'll probably be back. It's a little far from our house, but it's not bad. It's just kind of standard McDonald's style hash browns, but a little more flavor with the herbs on it.
Yeah, it's kind of like a upscale what they have now from what they have now.
Yeah.
All right, and then our final food item is going to be the spicy queso sandwich. All right.
So check that out, guys. It's got some fried pepper pieces on it. It's not bad looking. It came out nice and square.
On a square bun.
It's a good sandwich.
Very nice little bag.
So they have the traditional sandwich. I believe they have the egg McMuffin and then the bacon, egg and cheese sandwich as well. So they have a couple of the traditional items, but all in all, it's totally different. If you ask
Not everything transferred over. Now, personally, for me, I think the egg portion of that is a little too thick. Just thin it out a little bit for my taste. But overall, it's not bad.
The bun is just it tastes more fresh than the McDonald's
Yeah.
bun.
Now, you can't go to McDonald's and order this same sandwich. This is exclusive to Cosmic, so you have to be here if you want to try this. What's that?
All right, so next we have the Small Island Pick-Me-Up Punch. And it's got strawberry. It's got, I'm really not sure what all it has in it. We will let you know once the video is made.
We'll give you a link to the menu.
It's good. It's, what is that? There's a hint of I can't think of what it is. It tastes that. What is that? Ginger? That's what it is.
Probably
it's
ginger. I don't know.
I think it's ginger. A lot of their drinks have ginger in it.
So I'll tell you this. This got a little bit of a boost for you to help wake you up, kind of like coffee. It's got caffeine in it, I believe. But the flavor is perfect for a hot day. You can just grab this and go on about your day with a nice cool drink.
All right, so next we got cappuccino.
This I ordered for me. It's not sweet, so it's a regular cappuccino. So be careful with the ordering process, because what I just now learned by taking a sip of this, I ordered it as it came, but I did see a point where you could select the type sweetener that you want. If you don't add sweetener, they're not going to put it in it, and this doesn't have sweetener in it.
And
But the flavor is actually pretty good for it to not have sweetener. I could actually drink it like this.
So as you saw when we walked in there, they had a line of, I want to say it's syrups or mixers that they had on the wall. And any drink that you get, you can add any of those flavorings on top of what's already in there, including the cappuccino, and they have regular brewed coffee. And then I got a hot chocolate. Again, not very sweet.
No?
No, it's not over the top. It's got whipped cream. It really doesn't even have the chocolate taste much.
No, I like this because it's not too sweet.
Yeah. Okay. And then we got that. Let me get you a straw. And this is gonna be the melon herb chai.
Yeah.
I don't mind.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the lemon.
That's good. Tastes like it's got grapefruit in it. Some watermelon maybe.
Does that have a ginger hit? No. That is good.
It's pretty good. I like that. All right, guys. Hopefully you can find your way over to a Cosmic, or one comes near you soon, because it's not a bad concept. And I really do think they have the ability to take Starbucks on. Whether it's better or not, I think it's just different. I think it's just different from Starbucks. So this Cosmic will have its share of people coming, and Starbucks will still be fine overall. I don't think they'll be putting Starbucks out of business, but this concept is great, and the food items, I think, are pretty good choices.
I think it's McDonald's wanting to take a piece of the pie of the Starbucks frenzy.
Yeah, yeah. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. Now I do notice a difference. The one in Bolingbrook, Illinois, which was the very first one open, had like 4-hour lines. And I think it still has the same type lines similar today, because it's the only one in the entire state of Illinois. And it's the only one outside of the state of Texas. This one, we pulled up today and there were 3 or 4 cars in the parking lot. You see, we walked right in and jumped right on the kiosk. So I think the concept is moving faster in Texas, and then it'll spread out to the rest of the country most likely.
I like it.
I think it's a great concept. Anyway, guys, remember to get outside and enjoy, because
There's life out there.
peace. So guys, it's not exactly the Golden Arches, but it looks like people are loving it.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.